This is why you need to know about gravity in airplanes. They're like best buddies in the sky. Gravity is what makes things fall to the ground. Imagine dropping a ball. It falls, right? Now airplanes are super smart. They use their wings to push air downwards and lift themselves up. It's like riding a bike uphill, but way cooler. The engines give the airplane a big push forward. And with the wings, they beat gravity and stay up in the sky. So next time you see a plane flying, remember, gravity is pulling it down. But the wings and engines are working hard to keep it up. Flying is like a dance between gravity and lift. Pretty awesome, right?